Hi there, welcome to my channel, guys. I am Debbie Garcia. I am the badass baby boomer. I have lost 210 pounds now. It's taken me 10 years. 10 years ago, I was in a wheelchair, fused knees, thought I was never going to really walk again. I walked at a squat. It was horrible. But anyway, I am rebuilding my life since I have lost 210 pounds, got 2 new knees, did a year of physical therapy. I got myself out of the wheelchair, and now I am rebuilding my whole body, one joint at a time, and now one eye at a time. Cataract surgery over and done today on my right eye, and I could already see so much better. I can tell it's going to be a huge difference. I'm really excited. And so here's my video. Yes, heading out for my doctor's appointment for my cataract surgery. I don't know why I'm a little nervous, but I am. I mean, a little anxious, I guess. But today they just measured the eye and then set up the appointments for surgery. And I'm looking so forward to getting it over with because, man, I'm so tired of not being able to see very good with. It's like having Vaseline over your eyes or, you know, something like that. In your eyes, screwing with your vision, like being underwater. And I can't wait to get it all taken care of. So anyway, yeah, get over those nerves, Debbie. Just leaving the North Idaho Institute where they're going to be doing my eyes, and surgery on my right eye is tomorrow. So I'm super excited, and my driver... He's even more thrilled. Getting ready to go in. Getting ready to go in to get my cataract surgery. Looks like there's a lot of other people. My husband brought me over. So he'll be filming when I get out of here and get this done. Wish me luck. Emily working on me. There you go. Okay. Getting ready to go in for surgery. Very excited. Look at that dilated eye. Okay. Yes, I'm going to be seeing soon. Thank you, guys. Surgery is over and it went really smooth. It was really quick. I'm glad it's over. I can already see so much better. I can't believe how I can like see signs and stuff far away. Because I got the far away lens. Farsighted. I've never been farsighted. I can see. No pain. I'm just going to go home and take it easy, I guess. But I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. In the great city of Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. North Idaho Institute. I can't wait to get the other one done because this is going to be awesome to be able to see. Could be putting my hand in front of the camera. Yeah. Surgery on the right eye is done. It was not a bit painful. Barely. I barely felt anything, and it was quick. In and out in less than an hour, and you got a whole new eye. And I'm seeing lots of cool stuff. Okay, so it's been a long day, and I got to go back over the hill again tomorrow and have my eye checked again. So I am so tired but really happy that I can see as good as I can see, and I'm